So, welcome back na mas panibagong video, part 3. Blablabla. Ha? Ayoko. Paano po? Ayoko. No. Pag-abising ako yan.
Scaredy cat. You better get your ass back to the chamber now. I'm not gonna ask you again. Did you really think you could just walk out of here without me noticing? Get back to the chamber.
Uy, yun. You. What is this? Saan siya? Wala.
Attention, all personnel report to immediately.
May dugo uli. So, nasigaw. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Uy. Ayan. Natin. Uy. Huh? What is this? What is this? Please don't tell me, right? So. Ito, bag natin. Yan. So, yan mga gamit. Pintin mo yan, pagbabasan mo. Tapos pintutin mo ito pag-alas na. Okay. Ito, tikit. Ito, higa. Ito, taas. Tapos ito, tabo. Tapos ito, pangtigil. Tapos ito, pangtigil. Ang kaya tipin natin. Yung mga kahit what is this? No. Ano to? Bago? Very well. The second coming. Ang segundong paparting. So, the game can be saved in time. However, as in the case of SCP, objects a safe classification does not mean that handling it does not pose it threat. In accord defaulting, saving is only allowed at specific locations marked by lit up computer screens. Record class objects in the inherently unpredictable, so that reliable containment is not always impossible. Keter class objects are considered the most dangerous ones in Foundation. Content the same can be said of difficulty level. The SCPs are more aggressive, and you have only one life. When you die, the game is over. See. So, let's start.